Hi everyone, Deb here. This year I am participating in the Joy of Blue Collab, which is hosted by Sarah at Crafting and Relaxing. And each month on the 12th at noon Eastern, we post anything we want as long as it's made with blue. So I did cards this month. I don't know if I always will, but I'm in winter mode. So I had this blue Noel DCWV paper pad that hadn't been used at all. So I pulled it out and I thought, ooh, look at all the blues. But you know what? It has a lot of gray and almost black in it. So I was having a little trouble matching things up. And then also I wanted to use a couple things. I've had this pack of Memories and More cards sitting on my floor next to me, which comes in two sizes. This is by Stampin' Up. It has 4 1/4 by 6 1/4 cards, and it has little ones. I didn't use the little ones, but I might make little gift tags with some of the scraps in the future. So this one still has, these are the little cards. There's a seam here. Actually, I have one extra envelope in that one for the big for some reason. And then I didn't want to open this pack because when I was looking at my cards and stuff, I had some of these, which are also Memories and More cards, but they're Heart and Home. I think these are retired now, but they had blue striped cards and blue envelopes with blue stripes. And all I have left of the other pack I opened is the little cards now, which has this, this wood grain on, and these sort of craft envelopes. So I'm using things that I have that have been sitting here. Now those are, the white ones are Stampin' Up! Current, I think, because I'm no longer a demonstrator. And then this pad has cut aparts, and it also has this sticker sheet. So I did make use of some of that, and then I'll show you, I didn't use a whole lot of them. Some of these were used for my embellishments on the 11th, 2 of them, and the rest I used on a couple of the cards or envelopes here, because I did try and decorate some of the envelopes just with a sticker. So I'll bring them in no particular order. Let me put a white sheet here so they show better. They're pretty simple. So this is one that I used the blue envelope, and see the back is striped, but I did cut an extra piece of paper here behind this one because I didn't like the stripe with it. I used a piece of glimmery iridescent white ribbon, which I think it's Stampin' Up. Because I have to use my supplies. Oh, that's not the right one. Anyway, it's an iridescent ribbon by Stampin' Up that is, as far as I know, still current in their annual catalog. And this is iridescent pearl. The gems I used, I think, were either these iridescent pearls basic jewels or some of these blue rhinestone waves basic jewels, which are retired. And I might have used a couple gold or silver metallic pearls, which are also retired. All right, so that's the first one. And the insides are all still blank. This is the second one. This was the cut apart. I put it on Starry Sky cardstock by Stampin' Up. And then this is Starry Sky ribbon by Stampin' Up, which I wrapped around this paper 3 times, and then I just did a little bow on the side here. And that's it on that one. That's also striped background and a little snowflake on the envelope. This one's also horizontal. This is the cut apart, and here I used 2 stickers from the sticker sheet. I did put little gold pearls in them, and I put 3 more in the snowflakes on here. This one I left the blue stripe show through in the background, and I think that worked with that one. And one little snowflake there with gold on it. And then this one, same paper as this. In the background, this is the cut apart. It already had the gold, May Your Days Be Merry and Bright. I used some gold ribbon from Stampin' Up! And wrapped it around before I glued it on the card front. And then 3 gold pearls and no sticker on that one. I think I remembered the stickers. These probably were the last 3. I don't know. I can't remember the order. Okay, so now the first 3, these are the first 3 I did, and I did them with the white envelopes and white card bases. This is Misty Moonlight cardstock. I backed the cut apart on. I thought it matched pretty well, and it already had all the glittery stars on, so I didn't feel like it needed extra embellishment. And just a little sticker on the envelope. And this one is the cut apart. Now these were 4 by 6, I think. I cut them down a little bit so that I could put backing papers on or have the background showing. You see, this is like almost, I think it is black, actually black and gray instead. But I felt like it has some of that darker color in here. Maybe it's a real dark blue, but I don't know. It looks more black to me. And I again did a little bow up here. This time I wrapped this around both pieces of the card before I glued it onto the white, and did a little bow. And then I used just one blue gemmy over the eye, dotted the eye, and then this flower, there was a sticker with one of them on, so I put that on the envelope. And the last one, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. I actually laid this out first, but what I did, you can see I cut this down. This does have some gemmies on from those blue rhinestones, but I made an extra flip. Now I have not decided, and then plus you can open it this way, and I have the little holly leaves on, even though they're not really holly leaves here. I haven't decided. I think I'm just going to put a little piece of white in here and stamp something on it, but I haven't decided yet. So I thought that was kind of neat to have a double envelope, a double card like that. I don't know. Or you could put it in a journal or something too and write inside, and also flip this up and put something here. Or I could even put a gift card under here or something as a surprise and then write inside. So I don't know how I'll use them all, but that is my set of, I don't even know, 7 cards. I have a whole nother sheet of the same cut aparts, plus there's other smaller ones and ones I didn't use because they were more gray and not really fitting for Joy of Blue collaboration. But that's what I made for this month. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you'll, I'm planning on participating on my other channel, Dahlia Designs, Jewelry and More as well. I don't know if I'll be able to do that every month. It might be that I'll do one or the other. So like next month would be Dahlia Designs, and then the following month would be Deb House Crafty Cottage again. That might be what I have to do just because of time. We'll see, because I want to make blue jewelry also, or blue beady stuff for this collab as well. So have a wonderful day and a wonderful January, everyone, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.